Hey there, dinosaur enthusiasts. Welcome to our Jurassic adventure. Let's tackle a mysterious question in a flash. If a dinosaur sneezed with a full mouth, how far would the snot fly? First, imagine a Tyrannosaurus rex. With lungs possibly as large as a small car and a powerful sneeze reaching speeds over 100 miles per hour, its food-filled snot could travel an incredible distance, maybe even across a football field. Now consider a plant eater like the Brachiosaurus. While its sneeze might be less forceful, its sheer size and the volume of air expelled would still send a leafy, gooey mess flying dozens of feet. It's a fascinating if messy bit of scientific speculation. The force would be immense, creating a truly dramatic spray. That's a quick tour of a wild dinosaur question. Stay tuned for more dino-filled fun.